Hello, my viewers and students. So, to us all who are watching my videos, liking, and subscribing, I really want to thank them all. And today we are going to take a very interesting topic, that is expansion. So, let's begin.
So in this chapter, we are going to expand the algebraic expressions and equation with the help of identities. So along with the expansion, we are going to revise identities as well. So be ready with your notebook and pen, right? So the very first two identities are this, that I think we are reading from grade 6. In ICSE it starts from the grade 6, that a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? If you're still confused in this identity, please note it down, okay? How we are going to expand it. So this is the expanded form, right? And this is a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab. So the minus difference only here, okay, in these two identities. For plus, everything is plus, and for minus, this is in minus. Okay, let's see some of the problems on this. For example, I have this expression, right? 2a plus b, and I want to find the square of it. Okay, so let's take 2a plus b whole square. So as per my identity, I will square the first term, that is 2a. I will also square the second term. In the middle, I'll take 2 first term multiply second term. Okay, I repeat, whenever you are taking the square of the algebraic expression, then you are squaring the first term, then plus squaring the second term, plus in between you will write 2ab form, means 2 multiply first term multiply second term. If the term is in a plus b whole square form, means first term plus second term and the whole square form, then you will expand this way. Okay, so we have to pay attention to this thing also. Okay, what is the form of my expression? Accordingly, I'm going to use the identity. So here we have used a plus b whole square. Okay, now just open it. 2 square 4, a square, right? If you will multiply, you can only multiply the numbers, and these variables will remain just as it is, plus b square as it is, and we are done. In the same way, if you will open this with the help of a minus b whole square, you will get this answer. I have not solved it because I want you to try this. Along with that, I have given you this homework. Just pause the video and expand these expressions like 3a plus 7b whole square and 7a minus 9b whole square with the earlier two identities. Okay, please try it right away. Now see, these two identities helps you to expand the bigger number also. Some of the times we get such a number like 503 and we feel like, oh, we have to do the multiplication of 3 digits, right? So here also identity help you. You can break it into the two numbers and use the earlier two, the first two identities to expand them. This is, take a look. See, 101. Easily you can break 101 in 100 plus 1, right? And if you will do whole square it, this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is written in a plus b whole square form, right? So open the first term square plus 2, the first term 100 and the second term 1, plus the second term whole square. Simply see 100. To expand 100 is very easy. You have to add up 2 more 0 as per the power. So 100 and 2 more 0, the power as per the power, 2 zeros comes. Now 2 multiply 100, 200, ones are 200, 1. Just add them up and you are ready with the answer. It's really quick and easy. Let's see. Now look at this, 97. You know how easily I can write 100 minus 3. So 100 minus 3 whole square. And I can easily utilize a minus b identity, a minus b whole square identity to open it. You know, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And just simply you can open and you can find, okay, this is the answer. See, just pay attention here. I just added this 10,000 plus 9 and minus 600 and you get the answer. Isn't it easy? C is your try. 503 is just 500 plus 3 and you can simply open it with a plus b whole square identity. Okay, the very first one. Now let's see what is next for us. Okay, with the same two identities, some of the time we can get this kind of complicated question. We feel scared, oh, we have not studied about this. But student never feels scared just by seeing the fractions or the negative number or the decimals, because just because of you become panic, you lost your marks, right? So pay attention, even if they are in fractions and looking like horrible, but you can solve it. Pay attention. This is first term, this is second term. So my first term plus second term whole square minus my first term minus second term whole square minus 4. It is easy to do. It is just a first a plus b whole square identity. And this is going to be solved with a minus b whole square identity. We will expand, and because of this minus, most of the quantities will be cut. You know, then we will simply get an answer. Evaluate means you are supposed to find the value of this expression, right? Let's see. So this is my first term, my second term, and this I have just taken, and now I am opening them with the help of my first identity, that was a plus b whole square, right? So this is my first term square plus second term square plus 2ab. As for 2ab I have written, right? 2 my first term multiply my second term minus this minus is here. Okay, because minus is outside, so I have used the middle bracket and then I have expanded it as per the a minus b whole square. Now pay attention here. A by 2b whole square is going to be cut with this because it will come as minus a by 2b whole square, right? When this expression will be open, it will be in negative sign, with negative sign. Similarly, this number is going to be cut with this number, and you will expand this bracket. What about here? 2b will be cut by 2b, a will be cut by a. So what is left here? Cut means they are one, but this cut means they are gone, they are subtracted, right? So here we got only this 2 left. So this is this 2. And now look at this, okay? A is divided by A, you'll get 1 only. 2b divided by 2b, you'll get 1 only. So here what we have got, minus 2b. But because of this minus sign, this minus will change, right? So minus minus this plus 2, right? I hope you understand it, okay? If not, repeat it. You can rewatch it. And what about this minus 4? This is here. So 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4, 0. So what is the value of this, such a big question? 0, right? So never feel scared just by seeing the question, and never get, confused with your answer that this question is such a big and I'm getting 0. Don't ever doubt your solving. Okay, let's move ahead. Let me clear the drawing, otherwise it will be there in another question as well. So if a plus b equals to 7 and ab equals to 10, then find a minus b. Looking tricky, right? But it is very easy. Look at here. See, a plus b whole square, we all know this is the expansion of this a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is this? This is our first identity. Now we have the value of a plus b and we have the value of 10 ab as well. Now see how interestingly we can find a minus b. And a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Now, if we subtract these equations, what we will write? See, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. And if you will subtract them, because they are similar term with a similar sign, they will be cancelled. Plus 2ab and here is minus 2ab, but because we are subtracting them, the sign will change and it will become plus. Then we can add them. 2ab plus 2ab will give you 4ab. So if I'll show you with the help of annotation, look at this. If we subtract them, the rule with the subtraction is you have to change the sign. So it will become in minus. It will also become in minus. And this sign, it will take the sign of plus, right? So because a square minus a square will give you 0. B square minus b square will give you 0. Plus 2ab plus 2ab is going to give you 4ab. And this line is written as it is, right? I hope you understand it. You see the next line. Now we are just putting the values. A plus b is given as 7. Just put here. Minus a minus b we have to find out. 4 ab, the value of ab is given as 10. Just kept here. Okay, just put it. Just substitute the value. And 7 square 49, 7 sevens are 49. Remember we are not doing 7 twos are 14, okay? It is 7 sevens are 49 minus a minus b square equals to 40. See the next line. Okay, always be careful to change the operation, right? It was plus 49 and it will go here. It will become minus 49. Remember this. And what you will get, 40 minus 49 will give you minus 9. Here is minus, here is minus. So it can be eliminated. Or some, some math teacher multiply this number with minus 1, multiply with this number with minus 1, and then you can get the positive, both the sides. So simply just eliminate minus sign from both the sides and you'll get this. Now here is a square. To remove the square, because we don't need the value of a minus b whole square, we need the value of a minus b. So for that we need to remove the square. So you have to take the square root both the sides, then this will be cut and this will get a square root. See, if you will take the square root both the side, you'll get this, and if you will remove this, then you'll get the answer as 3, right? So just add it here with the help of annotation. You'll get the value as 3, right? You can write as plus and minus as well, because plus 3 also gives you 9 and minus 3 also gives you 9. Minus 3 square also gives you 9, right? Okay, I hope you understand it. We have just opened two identities, subtracted them, substitute the given values, and at the end, taking the square root both the sides, square root and square get cancelled. Do you know why this is cancelled? I'll just tell you, Let's suppose there is a number and here is this x square, right? Why they get cancelled? Some of the students ask me this interesting question. So I tell them that if this is a square root, it means it has this power. And when this power goes here, it goes in division. Have you read about this rule? This divide this number. That's the reason. 2 divided by 2 your square root get cancelled. Square root and square get cancelled with each other. You know, any number, let's suppose any number is written this way, a, and here is 2. So these powers, you know, here is a power 1, here is a power 2. Always think it that this is written, if you will open this root, you'll get this way, 1, this power divided by this 2. So this is the reason the square root and square get cancels, right? So never get confused. Be always inform what you're doing and why this answer is coming, right? Let's see the next thing. More identities, right? Okay. So here I have taken all the cubic ones. See, a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Similarly, for a minus b whole cube, only the sign difference. See, everywhere minus, minus, and minus. Okay, so if you can remember one, you can find out the other one as well. Just need to change a minus sign, the minus one. And if we are taking separately, like the value of a cube plus b cube, so you can take a plus b, a square minus ab. Remember, for plus sign, a square minus ab plus b square. And for a cube plus b cube, take a minus b. And here the all signs are positive. Remember these identities, their difference. Okay. So find the cube of 5a minus 3b, right? Let's see. So I'm going to use the formula a minus b cube. See, I have expanded this 5a whole cube minus this term whole cube minus 3ab was in the formula. So a means my first term and b means my second term. And a minus b was there, right? Now we will carefully expand all the numbers and the variables, right? We will take the cube carefully. Look at here. 5 cube, 185, a cube minus 3 threes are 3 threes are no. 3 multiply 3 is 27 minus 3 fives are 15. 15 threes are 45. A and B. Okay, written this way. Now 5a minus 3b as it is. Now in the next step we will, we will use the distribution law and we will distribute this number inside. Let's see. As it is, as it is. Now see, minus 45 multiply 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20, 22. And this a, remember, see, this a and a is getting multiplied, so a square, and this b as it is, minus, minus, plus. Many of the time, students forget to pay attention to the signs. Please don't do that. See, minus and minus is giving you plus. Then 3 5s are 15. 1 carry, 3 4s are 12. And that 1 gives you 13. And A, C, B and B is giving you B square. So now this is the expanded form. You have to find this B part. So I will, request you to pause the video and find the Q of it right away. Okay, now see next question. Okay, many of the times when there is any sum coming from the expansion, so this kind of sums are certain and you will find it in your question paper. So please do pay attention if expansion is going to come in your next test or in the coming exam. Okay, let's see. If x squared plus 1 by x squared is 47, then find the value of this x plus 1 by x or x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, now see. I have taken this x plus 1 by x and have done the square of it as the formula of a plus b whole square, right? I've written a square plus b square means the second term square plus 2ab. Now what I'll do, x and x cancel, right? Only this part plus 2 is left. I have used this identity here to open this, right? Now see, x plus 1 by x whole square. The value of x plus 1 by x square is given as 47. And here this x and x will get cancelled. Okay, it is giving you 1 only. So here 2, 2 ones, 2. Now 47 plus 2, 49. Right? And now this is square. We don't need square. So we'll take square root. Taking square root both the sides. Then this 2 is gone and it will get a square root. So you'll get answer plus minus 7. Isn't it so easy? Let's see the second option. X cube plus 1 by x cube. So you have to use the formula this a cube plus b cube. See, x cube plus 1 by x cube. A cube plus b cube. So a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. This formula we have used, right? So we have expanded this. Now, from the earlier question, we have x plus 1 by x as 7, x square plus 1 by x square as 47 because it is a part of the part question. That's why we are using. And x can once cancel, so minus 1 is left. 47 minus 1, 46. If you multiply this, you get this. Okay? 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 4 are 28, plus 4, right? 32. Isn't it easy? We just feel scared whenever we see fractions or variable in fraction, then we feel really scared, but you need not to. They are very easy to solve, right? Have the confidence that you can do it. Now look at this. Yeah, similar kind of question, and many of the students does the mistake. So I thought let's use it. Let's explain this thing. See, if this expression is given in plus and everything is asked in minus expansion, right? Minus expression. So see this. A minus 1 by a. Take the square of it. You will get this. With the help of the formula, a square plus b square minus ab, 2ab, right? A minus b whole square formula. Now this value is given 27, kept here, minus 2. If you subtract, you'll get 25. And now to get a 1 by a, the value of this, we have taken the square root. So square root of 25 will give you plus minus 5, right? Now second option is so easy. See, now a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b, then a square plus b square means the first term square plus second term square plus a and b means a multiply the second term. So it's written here, right? And we are just about to substitute the value that was found from the first option. So we found it as 5. It was given as 27. And if you will reduce this, a will divide this a, you'll get 1. Added, then multiplied, right? It's so easy. Now see, we also find these kind of questions in the long answer like 3 marks one. See, a plus 2b equals to 5, then show that such a big expression. So take this expression and you can see that in the result there is cube. So you have to do the cube of the given expression. So this expression is given. So given is this, a plus 2b equals to 5. Take the cube both the sides, right? And just expand them like a cube plus this expression cube plus 3a and the second term is 2b and a plus b. And if you will expand this, you'll get 125, right? 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 will give you this 125. A cube plus this 2 cube is 8, b cube is this 2 3s is 6, a b, and from where we got this 5? A plus 2b is 5. We have used it again, okay? Now multiply 5 6 are 30. These terms remain same equals to this. See the result, you have got this. Okay, so is it easy to do? Yes, right? See, if a plus b plus c in any condition giving you 0, then the value of aq plus bq plus cq equals to 3abc. This is the result actually. So with the help of this, you can evaluate these kind of expressions. See, first term is 7, second term is 3, and third term is minus 10. If you will keep it here, it will going to give you 0, right? See the solution. My first term means in terms of A is 7, B is 3, and C is minus 10. So if I do A plus B plus C, I'll get 0, right? So when I get A plus B plus C equals to 0, then my expression can be given with this 3ABC. So I can get 3. In terms of A, I get 7. B, we have 3. And C, we have this. So instead of expanding them, I have written 3ABC here. 3 in terms A is 7, B is 3, and C is minus 10. Just multiplied them and we are done. Right? Isn't it easy? Second part, can you do? Yeah, please do that. There are some more formulas, right? Because this video I have made to make you aware almost all the formulas that we use in the expansion. See, x plus a, x plus b. When the first variable is same and the second is different, we use this. If we are, doing the square of 3 terms, then this way. If both the terms, the first term is also different and the second term is also different, then this way we can use. See some more examples. X plus 5 and x plus 3. Okay, so the first variable is same and second are different. Okay, second numbers are different. And I have chosen to do the second option because of this minus sign, because many of the students feel scared when there is subtraction sign. It's just an operation, okay? X minus 7, x plus 2, okay? So, x square, as for the first identity of this term, this one that we have done. See, x square plus a plus b x, this identity we are going to use there. So, okay, so x square plus these terms, take this term, these numbers with their sign, minus 7 plus 2, keep x here, plus multiply these numbers now because AB is at the end. So minus 7 multiplied by 2. So x square minus 7 plus 2 will give you minus 5. Okay, and 7 2s are 14, but of minus plus minus. Isn't it easy? See, if you will ask me what will be the answer of this, see x square, then 5 plus 3, 8x, and plus 5 3s are 15. So answer for this is x square plus 8x plus 15. Right? Now see the next sums. Evaluate x plus 9, y minus 7. And the second option. See, simply. See here the variable or the number written in the first place is also different and the second place is also different. Signs are also different. So we are just using the distributing law, X is multiplying y minus 7 plus y minus 7 first, then plus 9 is multiplying y minus 7. Now we are just expanding them by simple multiplication. Xy minus 7x, then 9y minus 9 sevens are 63. So what is this? This is simple, the distributive law of multiplication. We have just distributed, right? Second option, will you love to try? Please try yourself. We will use the same way, okay? 3a was multiply this, then 2 by b will multiply this option. And this is the answer I have written so that you can check whether you have done correct or not. Okay, now see, evaluate them. If a, then the second term, then the third term. If you have to do the square of three terms. C, 3a minus 5b plus c whole square. So, square of the first term, square of the second term, square of the third term, then 2ab plus bc plus ca rule. This one multiplying with this, 3a multiplying with 5b, then minus 5b will multiply with c, and then c will multiply 3a. It's just cyclic, okay? Then open the square carefully and you'll get the answer. Carefully just open it. You can even open this more, right? And this thing is your own try. I hope it is very easy to try now. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any query related to elementary mathematics, means from the grade 6 to grade 10, you can write me, and you can write in the comment section also if you want to watch some other topics on my channel. Okay, bye bye, take care.